Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to get beauty mode in TikTok. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. If you want to apply some filters or like effects in TikTok, you can't find it anymore. You want to create it and you can't get any of the filters that you have that you want to that you want to apply on your videos that you are creating. So I will show you how you can do it. Open up your TikTok app and click on that plus icon at the bottom, and you will see over here bunch of options over here at the camera side. You can see at the left menu you will see bunch of options over here. You have to simply click on filters, and then you will see this pop-up menu over here, and you can see some filters over here. I will show you how you can check it out. The filters, you have to simply click on the filter and it's gonna be applied on your video. So as you can see, so whenever you are satisfied with the effects, so you have to simply click on the video, and then you have to simply record your video. For the purpose of the video, we have to check it out the filters. So you can see beside this video you can see bunch of filters over here. You can as well scroll to the left and get some filters over here. For filters, you have to come on the camera and check it out the filters. If you want to like the filters, you have to simply create a video and apply for your create your video for your family or the audience that you have created. So and also you can check it out bunch of filters over here. You can simply scroll left, and as well you can find over here and go to filters, and there you will also find bunch of filters over here. So you can do both steps, and that's it. That's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.